15th August is a very significant and important day in the history of India. It is a day when our country India was freed from the chain of slavery. The long chain of slavery was finally to come an end. It is the result of countless sacrifices by Muslims, the struggle of freedom fighters. We Muslims should look at back our history and learn how much hardship and struggle it took to gain this freedom. We should value and protect it. As Muslims, we know that the freedom is a great blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Just like we protect our iman, and we must protect the freedom of our nation with honesty, justice and unity.
Muslims should awaken the dream of freedom in their hearts. Once again, the dream of living honorably in this country, of strengthening our nation and of playing a constructive role in its growth. Just as our elders and forefathers sacrificed their lives for freedom, we too must be ready to serve our homeland in every possible way, so that our country shines in the world as a beacon of peace, prosperity, brotherhood and unity, so that the sacrifices of our elders never go in vain. एक हुए थे तो बना था ये मुल्क, एक हुए थे तो बनाता है मुल्क, एक रहेंगे तो बचेगा ये मुल्क. Let's begin our program. To begin our program with blessing, I humbly request Sidra, daughter of Khizr from 3rd class and Hifz, to come forward and recite verses from the Holy Quran.
سورة الضحى والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يؤتيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فعدا فوجدك ضالا فعدا فوجدك عاجلا فأغنى وأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تقهر فأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.